isn't a field trip, Melvin. This is an urgent mission to save Marty from throwing his life away. And where's the train?
Que da hora. Gente, ela é linda, cara.
Alex, what are you doing?
I'm getting you out of the box. Relax.
Alex?
Giraffe! Quarter pocket!
Oh, no, come on!
Come on!
Come on!
Here it comes!
Look! Wait! Wait!
This is my wheelchair! There are many like it, but this one is mine! Without me, my wheelchair is useless! Without my wheelchair...
It's so nice to hang at our regular bar that everyone is familiar with. What's with all the schlubby white boys with notebooks in here? Looking like Josh Gad's stenographer. Oh no, tonight's open mic night. These comics are always so hacky.
And I said, I want the booty, and I ain't talking about doubloons! You look like a good crowd. Any spice merchants here tonight? I'm a lawyer of the high seas. I handle zoning disputes, and I got nothing.
Oh, it's Peter again.
Hey, could you put your phone away? My parents are here tonight. Rory gave us grandchildren. Seamus gives us this.
Well, maybe if you were actually funny, I'd listen. Get Davy Jones lock a bit? Ah, she blows.
If you think it's so easy, you should put your treasure where your mouth is and go next.
Oh no, I'm not a comedian. I could never. Oh my gosh, you should do it, Lois. You think so? Yes. And not just because you're sneezing and coughing and I don't want you next to me. I don't know. You really think I'd be good at it? Just go. Hey, I don't really know what to talk about up here. Frankly, my whole life is dealing with my idiot husband, Peter. I had to chisel his fat ass out of ice today. Yeah, who knew a 1-inch knob could shrink? It's so true. You don't have a man. Whoa. How would you know? When my roommate falls asleep, I crank pornos. Most couples have an active sex life. Peter has an Activia sex life. And my husband and I, we enjoy 20 happy